Respected principal sir, vice principal and my dear teachers, good afternoon everyone. Today we are 70 boys creative group are going to present activity which we learn from our session. The topic is thermal insulation. Now I going to explain about this. First we see about thermal insulation. They have two types like me. First take a bottle with a bottle contains of different layers for the heat transfer for a long time or a cold transfers for a longer time. Like we look some in bottles like using iron, aluminum, steel, copper, etc. Normally the normal all flasks are second layer is first layer will be outer layer most will be aluminum or steel. Second layer will be copper. And the third layer will be any type of aluminum or steel they will use for a long time of cold or hot to preserve it. We see that in bottles they have some may use different types like layers, use their layers or in a hair traps means only there are two layers, only the inside and outermost, the hot air or cold air will traps between here. Then the air is an insulator and the heat is the copper will be an conductor so they cannot move anywhere. So this is an handmade flask. This is a more longer we can stay. We can use like single. It's all. We use in only a plastic bottle, we use paper and an aluminium foil.
Oh, aluminum foil. Outer cover is cloth.
Yes sir. Clothes for so this can make an homemade flask. We can use it anywhere and we can things make another things to make longer to preserve itself. I would like to call SCAMPER group to explain about this.